Yo, what's good, man? So right now I'm seeing a setup. Check this out. We're gonna go here. I'm about to hit him with a 5-minute joint. About 5 minutes. I'm about to do like a 40 piece. And we're gonna sell off here. All right. So what am I looking for that I got in this trade? Well, first of all, we under the 200. Lets me know we're in a downtrend. All right, so I'm just gonna trade with the trend. I do see a H1 zone here. So if it don't reject where I am now, then it's gonna reject somewhere up in here. And we'll get the complete drop. I'm trying to get an early entry before we drop back below this 20. So usually the best entry, of course, once you drop below here, you in there. You know what I'm saying? Because then we out of there. But right now, I try to get that early entry. So yeah, a couple things you want to look for whenever you're trading on any pair. You know what I'm saying? Is you always want to make sure you look at the trend. All right. So if you got a 200 on your chart, a 200 EMA or SMA, you always want to make sure you look to make sure the candles are below it. That's a downtrend. If the candles are above it up here, that's an uptrend. All right, so we want to trade with the trend. Boom. Then you look for market structure as well. So we got the down, pull back, down, pull back, down, pull back, down, pull back, down. That's what we got. So it's just continuing what it's already been doing. All right. So then you look for the stochastic to be high or low. These are all just multiple confirmations, right? Stochastic is high, we know we dropping. Stochastic is low, we know we buying. But the buy on a downtrend does not last that long, as you can see. You might get a little bit, then it drop again. You get a little something, drop again. Get a little something, drop again. A little something, drop again. You know what I'm saying? So you can always count on that drop. All right. So yeah, this is trading, man. This is what you do. You get in here every day and you do the same thing over and over and over. You know what I'm saying? Until you get it down pat. All right. Like I said, when candles are closing below the Keltner channel and it's a downtrend, you in there. You feel me? We don't trip off heavy rejection. You're gonna get some of those. It may even still be wanting to come up here and retest the box, maybe. But we still know we're gonna come down because it's a downtrend. So it is what it is. All right. But while that's cooking and marinating, I didn't realize I got in at 63%, bro. I didn't even realize I got in at 63%. That's all right. I wasn't even paying attention to that. All right, but bet. They just gave me a nice looking setup, but I'm gonna find something with let me find something with a better percentage. 81. We'll take it. Oh, another one. I'm loading up on this one. Why? Same thing. Look at it. Look at this. Pull back, drop. See it? All right. Candles are where? Below the 200 and below the middle of the Keltner channel. So why not? Why not sell off? Why not let this come down here and reconnect to the zigzag? Come on, man. It don't take long. But I want you to be able to identify the stuff immediately as you see it. You know what I'm saying? I want y'all to be able to identify it. Because some people I don't really like marking on my chart like that. So if you don't, identify setups. Look at market structure. Downtrend. Retest. Down. Retest. Down. I mean, you could do that all day. You could just look at the market all day. And they go the same way when you go up. You know what I'm saying? Same rules apply. Up, retest, up, retest, up, retest, up, retest, up, retest. I mean, it just does it nonstop. And you're able to just hop in trades very confident. You know what I'm saying? I expect that we should get some type of rejection pretty soon because this looks like a rejected here. Get maybe a green candle depending on how they want to do. Or they may just go ahead and put up. There we go. We're going to just push all the way through. I was about to say, or we just going to push all the way through. All right. I was expecting a little retest, kind of how we did here, but now they said we're going to push that thing all the way through. All right. So it looks like we're getting all the trades. How much time we got on this one? What a beautiful entry on this one, even though we 63%. But you see the confidence level. Come on, man. Stop playing with us. Beautiful sniper entries. Run it up. Let me get that. I'll take it. All right. We got a minute left on you. And then we're out of there. You feel me? But yeah, so this is how you confidently get in trades and not have to second guess yourself whenever you know what you know. You know what I'm saying? Whenever you know what you know, you can go in here and say, you know what? I'm about to go in here and eat. Because you could just see setups nonstop and you ain't even got to worry about it. You ain't even got to think about it. And this is how you're able to quit your job. This is how you're able to take vacations. This is how you're able to pay off debt with being that confident in the skill set. See what I'm saying? So I'm going to let these close out and then we'll get into some other stuff. You know what I'm saying? Give me to my 700 probably. Let's see. Yep. 752. So now, as you can see on this compound plan, started at 200 and now I'm in the sevens, which I'm actually past this, closer to maybe 750. Okay. Yeah, closer to this. And I ain't supposed to be here until the 23rd. So we moving right along. But this just goes to show you that you do not need a lot of paper to make a lot of money, right? I'm going all the way to 13K. All right. So we getting there. We here. We got a little bit more to go. But as the account gets bigger, the bigger the risk. Now we getting the pullback I was expecting. You see what I'm saying? Like it did here, which that's what I thought was going to happen at first, but it didn't quite happen. All right. So, boom. I'm not going to place no more trades, but I do want to just kind of show you what you can look for. That's a pretty good one. I like that one. I ain't gonna lie. I could see it, but I ain't gonna say nothing about that one. We're gonna go to a different one. Let's go with Euro USD. Let's take a peek at Euro USD, see what it's looking like. Boom. Okay. So in this instant, first thing I notice, all right, downtrend. Cool. Second thing I notice is that pull back, boom, pull back. So my next logical explanation is a drop. Now, since it is pushing up green so much, bearish, right? It could be trying to connect to a zigzag. It could, right? Maybe somewhere in here or before then, and then dropping like it did before. So you keep your eyes on that. You know what I'm saying? But what I am noticing right now too is that it's starting to come above the middle of the Keltner channel, which means it may still have a little more room to push. All right. But that's when we use the stochastic to say, okay, well, the stochastic gets high, then we know the drop is coming, which we're getting pretty high up there. We know the drop is coming. You could also use these signals whenever you get multiple double arrows down. You know, you get three or more with the double arrow down, you should be in there. All right. So without me even having that H1, that M1 zone marked up, I'll go ahead and mark that up so y'all can kind of see the reference of where you could be at. I'm gonna change that to white. Boom. So you're either gonna sell between here and up here, right? But in between here, we should get a drop. If not, then we know we come into another zone, which will be here. But right now, it looks like you're trying to do a little something. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. I'm gonna do $5. I'll do $5 for y'all, man. We're gonna do $5. See if we can catch us another one. I could actually buy low key on the way up, but I don't know how much time we got. We start closing below the middle of this Keltner channel, back down, and I might hop in for like 2 minutes. Just trying to see if we're gonna give it time or what. But right now, we indecisive. The candles are getting smaller, which lets me know that the buy starting to weaken out a little bit. They may give us one more strong push, but this lets me know, hey, Starting to get a little weak, man. Okay, we still above the 20, so you gotta let it do its thing. Still above the middle of the counter. Kind of gotta let it do its thing. Once he's complete, which I said we either gonna get a zigzag or we're gonna try to come up here and reject again. But I noticed the stochastic is pretty high now, so we're gonna have to see. He respecting the middle of the Keltner channel. The moment we get under here and close below here, then I may be looking to enter. But until then, not entering. You know what I'm saying? That's how you got to play it. If anything, I would enter a buy back up to here if I thought that's what it's going to do. But I'm going to wait because I want to catch the sell-off. So you just wait patiently. And when the market give you what you want, then you take the trade. But right now, the buyers are still in. As you can see, we getting the rejection. We still moving up. We got this little torpedo looking thing right here. All right, that's the kind of move I'm liking to see. It could be a fake out though, y'all. Could definitely be a fake out, a fat retrace, but I'm gonna take it. Let's take it for 2 minutes. Let's see if we can capitalize. See if we can capitalize for 2 minutes. Unless you wanna retrace and touch the box, but we're gonna see. So far, it gave us what we need to see. I told you these mean, hey, starting to get a little weak. Then they hit us with, okay, not so much, but then they blew out of there. So we're going to see if it holds or they're going to retrace. As long as we stay below this, though, I ain't tripping. We start coming back above this Keltner, the middle of the Keltner, then it might be ugly. So let's see. So far, we closed below it, so let's see how this plays out. This could be a small retest for another entry if I needed to. Trying to watch, see how this plays out. As long as we stay below this. Oh, he pushing now. If so, I'm gonna have to wait. Oh, so far, rejected off of it. And this how you gotta do all your trades like this. Analyze them. We're gonna turn red. We're gonna turn red and push down or what? 2, 1. Okay, let's see. 13 seconds. Rejected pretty heavy. Everybody about to get a 3, 2, 1. Nope. Oh, boom. 1 minute sell down. So why would you do that? Well, look. We're rejecting off the middle of the Keltner. So it's letting me know, look, we ain't past it. So until then, I'm gonna keep selling. That gave us strong bearish momentum. But now it's kind of just in a play stage. So we're gonna watch and see. There we go. I need you to come down and connect. That's what we need from you. Yeah, we need to come down and connect type situation. Yep, we'll take it. Money in the bank. Give me all that. Yes, sir. And that's how you trade, ladies and gentlemen. Simple as that. Hopefully I caught that. Hopefully y'all might have to watch this a couple times. But look, I told you. We don't pass this and we on the downtrend. Hey, we back in for the sales. Multiple. Right? Could have got in for another minute, 2 minutes to catch it on that reconnect soon enough. Maybe I'd do like 4 minutes for it to finally push all the way down. But trading like this, y'all, man, I'm telling you, percentages go up if you trade that precise every time. All right? Love y'all. Lord willing, I'll see you on another video. Let's get it.